Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your account with Twitter two-factor authentication step by step clearly. Open your Twitter app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the sidebar menu on the left and click on More. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Safety. Next, locate and select Security. Here, you will see the option for two-factor authentication. Click on Two-Factor Authentication to proceed. You will be presented with three options: text message, authenticator app, and security key. Choose your preferred method of authentication. If you select text message, you will need to verify your phone number. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code provided to confirm your phone number. If you choose Authenticator app, download an authentication app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on Twitter. The app will generate a code for you to enter. Input the verification code from the Authenticator app. If you opt for security key, follow the instructions for setting up a physical security key. Insert your security key when prompted to complete the setup. Once you have enabled your preferred method, make sure to toggle the two-factor authentication option on. Review your settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. To finalize, log out of your account and log back in to test your two-factor authentication. You should receive a code via your selected method to access your account. Your Twitter account is now more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.